Caterpillar Reman has been around for decades. We are the largest remanufacturing entity around the globe, and we take a lot of pride in that. We have over 8,000 part numbers in the Reman portfolio for Caterpillar today, and those offerings continue to grow every day. For us, the lifeblood of our business is really around that core coming back from our customers. We've invested the technical and the IP into the restoring of that product, and by virtue of that, we're able to reduce the overall cost associated with it and pass that cost savings then on to the customer. The Caterpillar Reman product allows them to have a much quicker turnaround time. How long can they afford to have that piece of equipment out of production? If it's an equipment failure, sometimes that offers an increased level of need to the customer as well because it's an unplanned event. It's almost like a magic trick, going from end-of-life iron to looking exactly like a brand new piece of equipment and unable for the eye to tell the difference. If any of us as a consumer had a product sitting next to each other, you physically can't see the differences. They're going to be backed by the same kind of promises in regards to like things like warranty, and one was going to be at a fraction of the cost of the other one. Which one would you as a consumer want to go to? The engineering, the technology, the technical capability, the vast dealer network that we have, all of these things come together in a really awesome recipe. Caterpillar Reman has evolved our portfolio, we've evolved our services, and undoubtedly, as we continue to see the level of disruption that's coming at the world today, we're going to continue to grow, we're going to continue to evolve, and we're going to continue to put products and services out there for our customers to achieve their success against those same ever-changing business conditions and evolutions.